Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, it's going to be a vlog of me and my 6 kids. We're going to go to a water park, and it's going to be in Wisconsin Dells, and of course that's like 3 hours away from my house. And I'm going to meet up with my sister and her family, her kids. She has 6 kids too, and then of course her and her husband. And then my brother, my mom, and my brother's 2 kids are going, so it's gonna be like a lot of people. And we're just gonna go for like one day. And I just wanted a vlog, and usually I love doing these vlogs so I can have memories of me and my kids. That's why I started this channel. So it was supposed to be a mama or motherhood channel, but then all of a sudden it extended to like other stuff. It expanded to so many different things, but I'm still gonna actually be a mom, no matter what. So I'm gonna show, I guess I'm just gonna show you what I'm bringing, and I'll show you what I'm bringing for my son, my 5-year-old, and my 6-month-old. If you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead for a quick view of, I know it's supposed to be like, I think my son's bathing or short. Oh yeah, it's right here. So it's actually a water park, and this is my first time going, so I don't know what to expect, and I know a lot of water. My son loves to swim. Even though he can't swim, he can do it with with a life jacket. But yeah, so I got this at Walmart. He has another one, but I didn't like it, so I went and purchased him another one, the one with the top on it, and it was a little bit too loose on him, so it was $8.96, small for 6 and 7. I love the colors. I love teal color, if you guys haven't noticed it. And then these are so cute. This is for going there, and one outfit to go and one outfit to come back. We may be spending the night at a hotel in Wisconsin Dells, and this is, I forgot how much these are. Oh, right there, $8.46. So I think it makes me feel like Hawaii. So yeah, so their size, let's see if you guys need to know the size. 6 for that one, and what size is this one? 6 for that one. So we are actually, I don't know if I told you guys, but we're actually going Sunday, and today is Friday, June, let's see, 28th, 2019, and we are going on Sunday. So Sunday would be, let's see, June 30th, Sunday, June 30th, 2019, and we're gonna go at 6 a.m. in the morning. So I wanted to match either or of these for my 5-year-old. So let's say, and I know the light is not very bright in here, so if I could just put that one with that, and this one with this. So yeah. And this one is $4.98, 6 and 7 graphic tank top. I think this is so pretty and matches. So one to go and one to come back. And I know kids are so messy, so I'm planning on bringing an extra pair just in case he gets himself dirty. But I do get dirty to myself as well. So yeah, so the same price as that one, but this is so cute. Look at the color. Oh my gosh, I want to go Hawaii now. And then this is just my 16-year-old's work clothes that I purchased. That's just in this pile, but he can actually wear, like, maybe this is a short. Yeah, they were on sale for like, even though they were like $17 and $19 at that time, I got it for $7 and $9, and I was so happy. I was super duper happy. Okay, so that is that. And then my 16-year-old, I actually got him, I went to the men's department because he is a big guy, and when they look at him, he's much bigger than me. So George, $5.96. I just wanted something. I still need to go shop for my 11-year-old. He has outgrown half his clothes, or maybe all of his clothes, so he needs clothes. So $5.96, small. And then I got this again at Walmart for my 6 to 9 month old baby. And then these are a child of mine, 6 to 9 months, $7.84. So yeah, so he will be wearing that when we go. It's either that one or this one. I know he's actually sleeping right next to. That's why you're hearing me whispering. If I do sound like I'm whispering, so this one is $7.94, 6 to 9 months, and it says little brother. I wish I could have gotten this when I had him. Something like this, a onesie that says little brother, and then my oldest would be wearing a big brother, but I couldn't shop anymore and I couldn't walk anymore. And then his dad actually got him this. I believe this was at Walmart too as well. Yeah, beach towel. So I will take that along. And one more item that I forgot. Okay. And I got them each a pair of goggles. I got these at let's see, TJ Maxx for $5.99. And my kids love wearing these when they go swimming. They always, if I buy it from my 5-year-old, they all take turns using it. But I was like, you know what, I think it's time for them, each of them, to have their own, because I usually go get the ones at the Dollar Tree and they tend to break on me. I do not like that. So yeah, so 5-pack, and then I have 5 kids, so they all can pick a color. So yeah, okay, so I will come back with another vlog. I don't even know what that is, but anyways, yep. So these are the clothes that I will be bringing, and then I'll come back and vlog some more. Okay, so I'll be showing you what I'm bringing for my electronics. There's all that fun stuff. So I hope my kids don't forget all their chargers. But let me take them out so I can actually tell you what we're bringing on my trip. Okay, so now I'm back. These are the items that I will be bringing for electronics. So as you can see, this is for the Nintendo Switch, and these are the cleaning pads for it. I might be bringing that because I have 5 kids who has phones, so extra chargers or extra plugs. And these are juices, and I think I have another one too. I need to start charging these. And this one is for the car. It has 2 of them. This is a charger for the Nintendo Switch, and I think this works for my juice batteries. And then a speaker, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth, and I have to get all those dirt out. And my 5-year-old son's DS, and the charger, and these are all a bunch of mess that I will have to take care of. But yeah, so all that charging station, and I'm bringing just my iPad and my phone and the charger too as well. So I'm going to be remembering when to bring that, but I'm going to be charging these pretty soon, and that one too, so my son gets something to play. And yeah, so those are all the items, and we're going to go ahead to the next item. Okay, so I decided to film my son, what's in my son's 5-year-old son's suitcase. So we're gonna go ahead right into it. This is the suitcase that I will be taking with us, and I like it. Pretty soon, my probably 6-month-old might use it, but for now we're just gonna give it to my 5-year-old son is just using this one, and it's really, really nice. So I believe we got this at Target. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at the clothes and see how many outfits we're bringing for home. So this is what I'm packing for my son. for the 5-year-old, and the teenage or the preteens will actually take their own clothes. So I'm just only filming my son, my 5-year-old son, and my 6-month-old baby. So those are the clothes, and I know I've showed you guys where I got these from. So it's gonna be like a top or a tank top, and a short and an underwear, and his towel, beach towel, and again the top and the short and a pair of underwear. And these are the underwears. That's not open yet, and some of these, yeah. So they're all going to each and every one of them. And this is just like a short to actually stay in the hotel. And then this is a boxer too as well. So are these. And then he loved this, and I think I filmed this. I don't really remember, but yeah. So this is the Star Wars, and he loves Star Wars. So that is another top in case he gets one of those dirty. And then these are just sweaters in case it gets really cold because it's been raining. And then of course I'm bringing 2 pants in case it rains, and a Testosterone because I got these from Rockets of Awesome. If you guys haven't checked my video, go ahead and check those out, and let me know in the comments below if you have or you have gotten it. And then again, his swim shorts, and there's an extra undie. And then I got this from California, San Francisco, for him in case it gets really cold. And it's so cute on him. Okay, so that is it for my my clothes that I would be bringing on our vacation, our trip. And this will be in with the vlog too as well. So I will film mine separately, and my 6-month-old separately too as well. So I'm gonna go, and then I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment this video if you guys enjoyed it. And I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm showing you how I pack my son's clothes. I actually use these Ziploc bags. You can actually get them anywhere, Kmart, Walmart, anywhere, Cup Foods, if you have a Cup Foods grocery store. And then these are the Ziploc bags I use. Instead of having those, I actually have the 3, I forgot what they're called, but they actually work fine with me. But since I have like a couple kids, I prefer to just use this method. They do have the the bigger Ziploc bags. I actually didn't get that unless they have something really expensive. I would definitely just get that. But I put 2 in a bag, like a bottom and a top and an underwear, or if they have like a sweater. I actually just put all the sweaters together, and then I put all the underwears in one bag so I can actually look for it better. That's why it was so convenient for me to just put all the underwears in one bag if I didn't pack them with a pair of clothes. So since we're only going for one day, I decided to just grab him like a couple of outfits, probably like 3 or 4 outfits in case he makes it dirty. And then I'm putting his towel inside and all the clothes inside with the Ziploc bag. They work really well. I mean, it was really nice. And then I forgot about the swimsuit, so I just stuck in one of them, and I actually put it on top of the suitcase, so when we go I can just grab and go. And then his jacket, it fit perfectly fine in the beginning. I mean, on the top. So this is it for my pack with me. If you guys enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up too. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any more contents. And I see you later.